everyone. If you're new here, my name is Nike. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So real quick, I'm gonna go ahead to do an unboxing here for you guys to see. It's my lunch period at work, and I'm like, yay, let me just go ahead and do this because I don't want to procrastinate. So what do we have here, guys? This is the vacuum storage bag. It was sent to me by ETENWOLF. I have worked with them before, and they reached out again. You guys see that, ETENWOLF, and I decided, okay, yes, I'll go ahead to review your product. From what I see, I do see that they produce nice products. So I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and review their products a second time. So this product that I'm unboxing, we actually do have one at home. So at the end of the day, I'm just gonna do a comparison for you guys to see. Okay, so now that I've done this, this is what the box is looking like. It's a vacuum. It has vacuum storage bags. It has the vacuum in it, and it has the storage bags as well. And the key for this particular product is the fact that it is rechargeable. So let's see what's in the bag. Right here we do have the vacuum. It's so cute and portable. Oh my god, I really love it. So it's rechargeable. That's where you recharge it. What do we have here? Okay, here I do see this is the charger, and from what I did notice, I was like, this is really brilliant. This is a Type-C charger, so even your iPhone charger can charge it. Your Android charger can charge it. It's pretty easy. We're going to be charging this eventually. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug in and see how it works. So this is how it works, okay, guys? And then it has the on button on there, which you turn on. So let's put this to the side and go ahead to see what else is in the box. So here we do have the seal lock. So this is actually used to lock the bags. It helps really well. This is not just like, the bags are not your regular type of Ziplocs. This require this keys or seals or whatever. And here we do have the manual, and it has ETENWOLF written on it. That's the brand name. So here we do have all sizes of bags, as you guys can see. So let's see which one is this. So this is the jumbo size bag, and this jumbo size bag, as you guys can see, it is a 100 centimeter by 70 centimeter. The large size is actually a 80 centimeter by 60 centimeter, and then here we have the small size, which is a 60 by 40 centimeter, and the last one out of the box here is the medium size, which is a 70 by 50 centimeter. Guys, I like the fact that it's labeled. Honestly speaking, the one that I do have, they didn't even come with a label. It was just like, yeah, whatever, we'll just package it for you. So this helps save space, and it's a really essential item. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and charge this, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, thanks, bye. All right, guys, so I'm back and I'm done charging the vacuum itself. So as you guys can see here, it comes with a Type-C. This is a Type-C, right? Comes with a Type-C charger, which I do like. And one thing I like about this is, you guys hear that? I turn it on. So one thing I like about this is, once you charge it from home and you're going on a trip, you can just take it along with you, and then you don't need to go with your Type-C charger, because I mean, most iPhones these days or Android phones, they come with the Type-C chargers. So anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and use this, but before we use it, I wanted to show you guys this one. I don't know the name of the brand, and even if I did, I wouldn't be mentioning it. This actually comes as a cord. As you guys can see, I got it off of Amazon, and oh my god, you can't use it without plugging it, which is one of the disadvantages of this. I mean, if you travel to countries where the power goes out regularly, you're not going to be able to make use of this, just because of the fact that if there's no light, or you find yourself somewhere there's no light, you're not going to be able to compress or, you know, just use it if there's no availability for light. But this is really good. So I just wanted to compare and contrast. This is a little heavy and bigger. This is very durable. This can fit inside my handbag, in fact, as a matter of fact, you know. And then I don't even need to go along with the cord, and that's just because it's rechargeable, which I think is pretty cool. When it says fully charged, you see it there. It didn't even take time for me to charge this, which I do like. And then also, yes, the one with this one, it comes with storage bags as well. But the storage bags are not as much as the storage bag that came with this one. Do you guys get it? And then for this one as well, that's the blue one, the clips are bigger in size. Do you guys see? They are wider and bigger as compared to, let's take the clip for this, the Ziploc clip. So do you see this is smaller? So I mean, it's just easy to carry. So I kind of see what's going on here with ETENWOLF. ETENWOLF has done a great job. I really do like this product. And by the way, guys, I'll be willing to give out this one in case anybody wants it. Just let me know. I'll give it to you so you can use it. But anyway, that's not what we're here for. We're here to make use of this. So let's go ahead. I do have the clothes packed in here in a box. Let me just tilt my camera down. So this is my own clothes. This is Ariel's clothes. This is Izzy's clothes. And right here, we do have Mr. T's outfit. You guys, let me try something for you guys to see real quick. So see better. You guys see, so it's not gonna fit into this box if you're going for a weekend trip, you know, even if you're going on vacation. I'm gonna show you the magic that's gonna work with all this outfit in here, and we're gonna compress and then get to fit it all inside here and even put extra items into this box. So let's go ahead and select a bag. So guys, remember I did show you guys they have the large size, which comes in the 80 centimeter by 60 centimeter bag. That's one. They have the small size, which comes in the 60 centimeter by 40 centimeter. They have the jumbo size. You can see it is written here J for the jumbo size, which comes in the 100 centimeter by 7 centimeter bag size. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's a jumbo. This is small. This is large. And then here we do have the medium size bag. So rating by what I do have here, the items I do have in the box, I'll go with the large for now. Let's try out the large. And everyone, I'm curious, I want to know the size of the large, what it's like. Okay, so let's quickly try it out and see if this is... So here we do have the large size bag. This is what it looks like, guys. It's very big. I'm grateful I didn't go for the jumbo. It could have been humongous. So we're gonna fit in all these items into this bag and we're gonna shrink it. So here is where we do have the opening. You're gonna open this. This is how it works. You go ahead, you open this. Do you guys see that? So we're gonna just go ahead and fit in the clothes first before we shrink it. So let's do that real quick. And bear in mind, we have sweaters. The weather is cold right now, so packing sweaters, shirts, jeans, thick items. You guys should forgive me, I'm not so much of a good packer. So we're gonna make this work, okay? Then yeah, my clothes, kids' clothes. Let me fold this back. I'm feeling like I should have even used the medium size bag, but it's good I used large. So guys, this is it. I have packed it all. So to close it, I'll just demonstrate for you guys to see. I'm gonna go ahead with this. Remember? So this is the lock. We'll just go ahead and do this. Aha. Yep. So it's locked. So now I'm going to show you guys the magic that will happen here now. Guys, are you ready? Packed all the items. So I'll go ahead and unlock this. And then now I'm going to turn on my vacuum. Start. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's actually working. It's sucking out all the air. You guys see that? It's happening, guys. It's sucking out all the air. still working. Wow. Let's go ahead and turn it off and then use the seal. All right guys, so now that we're done, I'm just gonna fit this into the bag and we're gonna get in all the shoes, every other thing in there, and we're good to go. Do you guys see how much space has been saved? Do you guys see that? Like lots of space has been saved. Packing in everyone's outfits, my kids, Mr. T, Easy, and Ariel. So the only thing we need to do now is get our shoes. I mean, you can always vacuum the shoes too into a seal bag, but guys, I don't have time for that right now. So where can you guys find this product? This beautiful vacuum seal product, you can get it off of Amazon. I'm gonna be dropping the link in the description for you guys. And also will I say you should get it? I'll say you should get it just because of the advantages that I listed. I mean, you can see the difference in durability. So you see that this is larger, a little bit bigger. I mean, some will say what's the difference, and this is even lightweight as well. And then also for this, it has a cord. This doesn't have a cord. It's rechargeable, so you can go with it anywhere you want to go. I feel it can last you for a very long time. It saves space in solution, which I do like. Okay guys, so this is it right here. You guys have seen it. I'm so sorry, the weather is cold. I have all right guys, so this is it. I have gone ahead to create more space. This is a sustainable vacuum seal, which you guys can see here. It creates up to 80% space, extra space, storage space. Basically the shoes can go in here. I can even still vacuum the shoes, vacuum the towel. It really just depends. I can vacuum a lot of things and seal a lot of things, and then this box will be okay to pack a whole family of 4. If more than 4, yes, it can do that too. Is to pick all their items just to go with one luggage, you know, even to save space at the airport. This works very well. It works pretty well. I like the fact that it's really durable. It is rechargeable as well. You don't need to stress yourself. I really don't need to go with this charger because now everyone uses, is it the type C or type D? I don't know what they call this charger though, but I mean, even your iPhone and your Android phone now uses this. So all right guys, you guys should go ahead and check out ETENWOLF. I will be dropping their website in the description. This is the second time they are sending me a product, and I am really thankful. So you guys should go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much, and do enjoy the rest of the day.